Lean manufacturing is both a process philosophy and workable process methodology. It introduces best practice material handling and best-in-class manufacturing methods that are now standard across industries. The core concepts for lean manufacturing provide a base-level understanding of the system functionality within Dynamics AX. The 5 lean principles include the following. Customer value. When you identify the value, you specify what creates value from the customer's perspective. Identify the value stream. The value stream is the sequence of processes that start from raw material to the final customer or from the product concept to the market launch. If it is possible, you view the whole supply chain. Next, it's flow. Create flow whenever possible in the process. Use one piece of the flow by linking all activities and processes into the most efficient combinations to maximize value-add content while minimizing waste. Pull. Make only what is needed by the customer. Short-term response to the customer's rate of demand. Perfection. In striving for perfection, lean is a journey of continuous improvement. The goal is to economically produce exactly what the customer wants and exactly when the customer needs it. Because this perfection is an aspiration, anything and everything can be improved. In Microsoft Dynamics X, the Lean Manufacturing module introduces Kanbans as pull-based just-in-time production system. Kanbans relate to a sequence of Kanban jobs. Each Kanban job has a status that indicates its current stage in the production or transfer process. Each Kanban also has statuses. The so-called handling unit status that indicates the overall state of the Kanban and the related handling unit. Kanban means visible record in Japanese. It is adopted by many industries as a method of controlling production and internal supply. Kanban is an important part of the pull system of supply, which is a very important element in the lean production supply philosophy. When a Kanban is consumed, it should be passed or triggered to the source of supply to replenish it. The source of supply is defined through the production flow activities that the Kanban is linked to. It provides the definition of how the Kanban is filled. Lean manufacturing in Microsoft Dynamics AX is based on 2 different types of rules. First is manufacturing. A Kanban type of manufacturing is assigned to at least one process that adds value. Next, a Kanban with type withdrawal creates a transfer job that is based on a single transfer activity. There are other items such as fixed quantity Kanbans. A fixed quantity Kanban rule relates to a fixed number of bins or Kanban cards and often represents a made-to-order operation. There are such things as single-use Kanbans. Additional single-use Kanbans can be used to cover additional demand to level specific exceptional demand that may occur. Next, there are such things as scheduled Kanbans. Master planning creates scheduled Kanbans automatically for planned Kanban orders to cover the requirements within the firm horizon of the production forecast. Finally, there's event Kanbans. Event Kanbans are only created out of the related demand so that these event Kanbans belong to a category of make to order. The creation of event Kanbans is initiated when certain events occur within the system. In Microsoft Dynamics X, these events include when you create sales lines, estimate production orders based on the certain or creation of upper-level Kanban demand, or when you reach a certain level of operation. Typically, a lean manufacturing scenario is more than an accumulation of unrelated Kanban rules or material supply policies. The flow of material and products throughout work cells and locations for a specific production or supply scenario is described as a sequence or small network of process or transfer activities, which is known as a production flow. Production flows are the backbone of lean manufacturing, and they perform the following functions. They define the process and transfer activities for the value stream. They support the Kanban rules in defining the activities of a Kanban flow. They provide an activity-based context for the planning and production processes. Finally, they establish a cost context for the various Kanban production scenarios.